Hey, it's Candicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some products that really did not work for me. Now, before I start this video, I know my face looks extremely red. It's because it is early in the morning and I just washed off a face mask which really tightened my skin. So my face does look a little red, but we're just gonna ignore that. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys some more curly hair products, again, that didn't really work for me, things that didn't really work for my hair. Now, this is by no means bashing any brands. This is by no means, you know, trying to throw shade or anything. These are just simply products that just did not work for me. And they also may work for you. So if they're products that do work for you, I mean, go ahead and still use them. It's just that, unfortunately for me, it just didn't work out. So guys, if you guys want to see some of the products that didn't work for me, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because I make more content every week. So make sure you hit that big red button down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just going to be picking these products at random. This is by no means from like the worst one like to what I really don't like to like the least. But again, this is just at random. And the first product that I picked out was the Diva Curl Leave-In Decadence. Now, I bought this with my own money and I tried this out for a video. And if you want to see that video, I'm going to put an I button either here or here for you guys to watch that review. But ever since then, I have not been able to find a use for this product. It just did not work for me at all. It claimed to be an ultra moisturizing leave-in conditioner, but to be honest, it was just super drying. I just didn't have any kind of curl definition from this product. I didn't get any moisture from this product, so this one was definitely, no offense, a waste of my money because it was like almost 30 or 40 bucks and I only got like one use out of it for that video. Actually, it was more than one because I tried it multiple times, but at the same time, still didn't really get any use out of this product. So this is definitely a no for me. Okay, so the next product I have here is the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this product, I know it's a spray leave-in conditioner. Some sprays I do like, but this one in particular just left like a residue in my hair. It just didn't moisturize. It just didn't work at all. Like, I tried it with soaking wet hair, I tried it with dry hair, I tried it with second day hair, and it just doesn't work for me at all. So yeah, this was just not a great product for me at all. The next product is the Palmer's Manuka Formula with Vitamin E Manuka Flower Honey Nourishing Conditioner. Now, I got this on a whim because I've never really tried Palmer's products when it comes to my hair. So I tried this one and honestly, there's just nothing special about it. It did kind of a good job in moisturizing in the shower. But honestly, it's not something that I was wowed about. It's not something that was like super moisturizing that I was like, wow, I need to hold on to this. It's just, honestly, like it's kind of a okay product, but it's not something that I would go out and spend my money on. So yeah, so this one was just a no. You guys may know how much I love oil sprays and how much I love those kinds of products. But I tried this one from this brand and it just didn't do it for me. And obviously, like, I have my go-to brand for this, but I wanted to try something different. And this is the Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition Miracle Dry Oil for hair, body, and face. Now, this one, I found it was just way too heavy for my hair, especially for a dry oil spray. I know it's supposed to be something that's for your face and for your body, so the consistency may be a little bit different compared to something that's supposed to be for your hair. But this one just, I don't know, I just didn't really like it compared to my other oil sprays, so this is just something that I barely used. But at the same time, because it was so oily and so like heavy for me, I just didn't like it at all. Now, the next product is the Design Essentials Coconut and Manoi Curl Defining Jelly. Now, I really wanted to love this product. I really did. I did some work with Design Essentials with this product. And to be honest, I prefer this as an edge control than I do as an actual jelly. I don't think my hair really likes jellies at all. Like, I've tried some from other brands and they just didn't work out for me. So maybe it's just my curl pattern or my hair density, that just, it doesn't work out with jellies. But this one in particular, if I was going to use it for the purpose that's on the bottle, which is to define your curls, it just doesn't work out for me for that at all. Again, I prefer this as an edge control than I do as an overall styler. So if you want to use it for that, then this is definitely like amazing. But at the same time, if it was made for this purpose, and I was using it for the purpose that's on the bottle, it's just a no. Now, this product may be a little bit controversial because I have talked about how much I love this product, but as of recently, it just has not worked for me. Now, again, I don't know if it's because I dyed my hair recently, so I have more blonde, so I'm lacking in more protein, or I don't know, something just changed about my hair. But yeah, this Aussie Mega Moist Conditioner just doesn't do it for me. It's not as moisturizing as I want it to be. I used to love this product, and just nowadays it doesn't do anything for my hair at all. I need to find something that's definitely more moisturizing than this. Okay, so the final product that I have for this video, which again is a little problematic because I used to say I used to love this product, but now I don't, is the Mane and Tail and Body Shampoo. Now, I find that this is just way too harsh for my hair. This just dries out my scalp way too much. I've found better clarifying shampoos that are more curly hair friendly than this. So this is just something like I'd rather not touch anymore because, again, like I found better products that have better ingredients and are just more geared to curly friendly hair. So a clarifying shampoo, because this is what I usually use if like I was going to straighten my hair and I really need to get all that dirt and grime out so then I'm not frying my hair. I would use this, but I found shampoos like Bounce Curl, which has a clarifying shampoo, which is just so much better for your hair, and it makes your hair not feel like stripped of its moisture, but it's also very clarifying. Also, Up North Naturals, they have a African black soap shampoo, which is again not drying, but at the same time, because it has African black soap in it, it's just so clarifying for your hair. So honestly, like I just prefer not to touch this product anymore because of how drying this product can be. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Again, that was by no means bashing any brands. This is just products that just simply don't work for me anymore, or products that I just don't use anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, comment down below whether you guys still use these kinds of products. If not, have tried them, and what your opinion is about those products. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys!